Welcome back to part 7, the Metro restoration. Thanks so much to all the new subscribers. I had quite a big jump after the last video. And get another one like last time, I'll get up to 100 subscribers, which would be absolutely brilliant. Thank you. Right, let's show you where we're up to. So, we start at the front of the car. Front wing on the passenger side, pretty much done. I've started rubbing it all down, got rid of all the high spots now, and as you can see, that's blending into the door lovely. I've sanded down the bottom of the door, pretty much all of the fillers off now. As you can see, I just need to do this. I just had a little bit of a low spot there, so I need to go over that, make sure it's okay. And then back quarter panel, again, wants high build primer on it, and then we can flat the high build down. Got most of the rust spots away, I think you saw in the last video. I wanted to rub all this down. I still need to take off the Metro badge, but I need to leave that City badge on because I've been in touch with a company who are looking to make me a new sticker, but until I see it and I make sure I'm happy with it, I don't want to remove that because I don't know if I'm going to be able to get hold of another one. So need to keep it, so I've got a template and something to go on, because when I took the others off they just peeled and broke. This panel is looking pretty much spot on now. Again, needs some high build on it. Back panel all done. Not rust treated any of this yet because I want to go over, as I said in the last video, underneath here with the wheel and the drill attachment. And then sills are pretty much perfect. I'm actually not going to bother doing anything with the running gear of the car. I'm not too fussed about that at the moment. I just want to get all the paintwork done, get it all put back together. I want to try and use it. A little bit of a low spot here. So that's had the filler on, that needs rubbing down, that'll be in this video. Little spot of rust there was, and a tiny bit there that's just been ground down. So that, again, that'll be in this video. And then just on the door there, small amount, again, no holes or anything like that, luckily. This front wing is all done as well. So again, that wants some high build on it and it wants rubbing down. And the same with the front panel. Here I'm just working on getting the shape out. So I'm using the different sanding pads that I've got with an 80 grit and a 120 grit paper. And I'm just basically pulling it into shape, getting all the low spots down, filling everything in. Because once I prime it and I'll wet sand it, I'll get the imperfections out of it at that stage. Common theme I seem to have been having on this car is when I do start rubbing an area down, I end up needing to wire wheel another area because I seem to be finding crazing in the paintwork. Now I've moved on to the front windscreen now and I'm just starting to clean up all the edges, and I'll show you how that ends up in a minute. But I'm really pleased with what was underneath the surface corrosion. Complain about that. Tiny bit of surface rust on it, completely gone. Just the seam seal still in there. Just need a little bit of rust treatment. Show you the other side. And here's the other side of it. Again, no holes, no major corrosion. Just a bit of rust treatment on the bare metal. Get it all primed and sealed. Right, and that's it for this part. Please do like and subscribe for future videos. In the next video, I'm going to be tackling the removal of the boot, or tailgate. I'm also going to be starting to touch on the rust in these corners, I think. But we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching.